Hi, in this video we're going to expand two brackets where we have the same thing in each bracket, but where one is a negative in the middle and where one is a plus in the middle. But otherwise it's the same. You've got the 2y, 2y, and you've got the 3 and the 3. And something interesting happens when you expand out these brackets. So let's remind ourselves of the principle. We multiply each term in the first bracket by each term in the second bracket. And what that means is that we just pick something in the first bracket, so we could pick the 2y, and we pick something in the second bracket, like the 3, and then we just multiply them together. And then we think all the ways we can do that and just add them together, basically. So the way I did it in previous videos is just to focus first on the first thing in the first bracket. So we've got the first thing in the first bracket, and we're going to multiply it by each thing in the second bracket. So I'm going to do the 2y times the 2y, and I'm going to do the 2y times the 3. You might find it helpful to add little arcs like this. So if we do the 2y times the 2y, or 2 times 2 is 4, y times y is y squared, so you get 4y squared. So you get 4y squared. And then we can do the 2y times the plus 3. 2 times 3 is 6, so you get 6y. And now we do the second thing in the first bracket multiplied by each thing in the other bracket. So we do the minus 3 times the 2y and the minus 3 times the 3. If we do the minus 3 times 2y, or negative times positive is negative, so you're going to get minus 6y. So it's going to be minus 6y. And then you have negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9, so you have minus 9. And then we collect like terms. Now we've only got a single y squared term here. We've got the 4y squared term here. This is not y squared, this is not y squared, this is not y squared. So the 4y squared doesn't simplify with anything else, it just stays as 4y squared. However, look, we got the 6y minus 6y. Anything subtract itself is just going to cancel. So these two terms cancel and we get nothing in the simplification there. And then finally, we've got this minus 9 here minding its own business. So we're going to get that. And so this is the final answer. So basically, when you have two brackets like this, they're the same except for you got the minus here and the plus here. Then you'll find that actually the middle term is going to cancel. There won't be any y term here. You just get a y squared term here and you just get the constant term.